studies has shown that the concept of most millionaires being born into wealth is a myth, and 79% of millionaires today are self-made millionaires. It means that they started from nothing, no money, no debt, no assets, but they were able to build wealth. I know you're probably asking, how did they do it? What is the secret to building this wealth? I am Chinyere Ainkeme, and in this video, I will be revealing to you all the steps you need to follow in order for you to become a millionaire. Let me also remind you that step number 8 is very important, but people tend to shy away from this particular step. So I encourage you to stick to the end of this video to get the full information on those steps that will walk you through effectively and efficiently in becoming a millionaire. If you're just coming across my videos for the first time, consider subscribing to this channel and turn on the notification bell to get informed whenever there's a new release on personal finance that will improve your financial performance. The first step is mindset. Mindset matters. How you think is how you act. Before we go further, let me put a question across to you. Do you believe that wealth can be created or it can be inherited? If you believe that wealth can be created, it means you're already halfway through in making yourself a millionaire. Your belief is what guides your movement. And this is where mindset plays the major role. I have always held the belief that everything is possible, and if someone else can do it, then I can do it too, or even do it better. Mindset is a person's belief, a person's attitude, and perception in a given situation. You don't just develop any type of mindset. What you need to develop is the growth mindset. A resilient belief that you can achieve anything through dedication, through improvement and hard work, regardless of the challenges you face on the way to that your goal. In the road to wealth, there will be challenges, obstacles, costly mistakes you're going to make, and some downtime. But a growth mindset will push you to see the good in every situation, to learn from every mistake, and pick yourself up without giving up on your financial goal. If you want to be a millionaire, you can be it as long as your mindset aligns with your vision, your mission, and your dreams. A person with the right mindset never loses focus. This brings us to the next step, which is to seek soft loans. By soft loans, I mean look for those loans that have little to no interest rate attached to that loan. I know you're probably saying, but it is important that we avoid debt. Yes, you need to avoid debt. But in this scenario, we are trying to go from having nothing to becoming something. Have you bothered asking yourself why 80% of wealthy people are indebted in one way or the other? It is to finance or expand their companies or businesses. But most importantly, it is for dedication and motivation. To start up a business, you need to first get that soft loan. You can even lend yourself money if you have finances to start up a business. Let it be a loan to yourself, so you can be dedicated and motivated to work hard to be debt-free. When you develop this habit from the beginning of your business, even after paying your debt, you will continue to sustain that habit of hard work, that habit of motivation and resilience to keep your financial stability in check. The number 3 step is to start small. After getting the soft loans, the next thing you want to do is to open up a business or a company. I will advise that in order for you to attain that millionaire status, it is important for you to start at a small level and grow to a higher level. Starting at a small level, at a small scale, we expose you to the challenges, the opportunities, the strengths, the weaknesses, and the profits in that particular line of business. It is better for you to start small and grow than for you to start big and fail, so that the knowledge and the experiences you've gathered from running this small scale business can be put towards successfully running a larger scale of that same business when opportunities for expansion arises. Financial goals. Financial goals are what we intend to achieve, whether in the short run or in the long run. Attaining the status of a millionaire is a long-term process that requires strategic financial planning. These long-term goals should be broken down into short-term targets to enable us to stay focused and motivated towards achieving that long-term goal. For example, when you start up a business using the soft loan, you will want to set up a short-term goal of how much sales you want to make daily. You will also want to set a monthly cap on your expenditure. There will also be a target of the profit you intend to make for the next 6 months, and also how much you intend to save throughout the year. These are basic short-term goals you need to develop. Let me also point out the fact that for you to achieve any goal, it needs to satisfy the SMART criteria. Therefore, it must be specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and timely. For those of you who are interested in developing a SMART goal and knowing what a SMART goal is, check out this video right here where I did a detailed analysis of what a SMART goal should be and how it can be achieved. Step 5 is long-term savings. Saving for the long term from the profits you make for your business provides a stable foundation for financial growth in the long term. If you want to save effectively and efficiently, try joining corporate societies whereby you deposit daily a particular amount of money in your own name. At the end of the year, after making these savings to this corporate society, you would have accumulated a huge sum of money. This money which you've accumulated can be put into high interest deposit accounts, or you can invest it in profitable stocks and bonds, or rather you can repurpose it into your business for expansion, or even put it into a tax advantage retirement account like the 401ks. Adopting a consistent and resilient contribution to long-term savings can significantly contribute to your financial stability and the accumulation of wealth over the years. Step number 6 is income diversification. Diversification of your income stream will propel you faster towards the millionaire status. This is because you will be able to pay off your debt faster, save up more money which can be directed towards your emergency fund account or other profitable investments. This extra income will also serve as a buffer for financial setbacks. You can pick up side jobs and side businesses or freelance work or other income-generating activities you find out there, putting into consideration your skill, your interest, and the market trends. Number 7 is healthy lifestyle. As you chase money, don't forget to also make your health a priority. You don't want to spend those hard-earned money in medical bills or in healthcare. So it is important for you to carry out regular exercises, eat food that are rich in nutrients, take more fruits, get adequate sleep, and take enough water daily. Also, do away with risky behaviors like alcohol or smoking. Adopting this habit will bring about increased productivity, reduce the money you spend on healthcare and other medical expenses. This will translate to you saving more money and making more investment in the long run. The number 8 step is to ask questions. Learn to ask questions to those people who have passed through a particular road you intend to pass. And also seek financial expert advice when you are stuck in an important financial decision. Do not just take financial decisions based on your intuitions. It may lead to more harm than good. Get finance books from people who have built wealth. Listen to their interviews and advices. Watch finance videos as you're doing right now. Attend finance seminars that is being organized by big names in the financial sector. These activities go a long way in enhancing your decision making towards wealth creation. They also advance your financial knowledge and refine your financial strategies. There is my favorite saying that you have within you all you need to take yourself to the highest point of your dreams. You can propel yourself into becoming a millionaire in the next 2 to 5 years. It all boils down to the steps you decide to take today. One of the most important steps is your mindset. Coin your mindset to see the possibility in every situation. We are trying to hit 100 subscribers before the end of 2023. If you've gotten value from this video and other videos in my channel so far, consider subscribing to my channel and share these videos to friends and families and even relatives who will find this video helpful. Did I mention to you that there are some money rules of the wealthy that you need to keep up with? On your screen now is a link to that video. Go check it out. Thank you for watching. I am Chinyere Anyikeme. Stay well.